Ang daming salamin. You can look over here, or over there. Ah, diba? Woo! Gani man. Tapos sabi ko, oh no, nakalimutan ko yung tawag dun sa cake na favorite ko. Ano yung pangalan? So, nag-search pa ako sa Google, diba? Sabi ko, hindi, wala dito. So, pinakita ko pa dun, meron pa po ba kayo ng ganito? Favorite cake, pero hindi alam kung ano yung tawag. When you arrive from the airport, sobrang peaceful. Long drive, straight lang, tapos all green yung makikita mo. Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. After how many years, we're back here in Bacolod City. Actually, we're still here in Silay, Bacolod Airport area. And of course, si Javi ang nagda-drive na. Speaking of kotse, we are renting a car at the moment. Usually, when we come over here sa Bacolod, we're renting a car. And this one is from Car Rentals sa FB page. I'll just put it over here. And ang ganda ng Innova nila, guys. Bagong-bago. And this is Innova Diesel Automatic. I really appreciate their time and assistance. And ang bilis nilang kausap. I contacted them few days ago lang. We did the transaction. So, for the rates, the Innova at the moment, we rented it 2,000 per day. So, we'll be using it for 2 days. Kasi we'll be back to Manila by Sunday. Nag-request kasi ako na magkikita kami sa airport. So, yung delivery ng car is 300. And of course, yung pag-pick up nila, same day na pag-return namin ng kotse, it's 300 as well. So, a total of 4,600. It's good na. And ang linis ang car, Bagong-bago. Ito lang yung na-miss ko sa Bacolod. When you arrive from the airport, sobrang peaceful. Long drive, straight lang, tapos all green yung makikita mo. Nakaka-relax. Of course, we're using Waze. We're not really that familiar anymore, so we will see what are the changes. Ito, parang bago nga din na hindi ko alam kung 200 meters.
Ito golf course. Yung
Oo, nadaanan natin yung ruins, guys.
tubig.
Yung mga ganito na, kainan na rin dito.
Galing parking sa baba, taas ang shopping center.
It reminds me of Parañaque.
Yeah,
And then, of course, a new building here is the NU. So, we are near SM already and nasa likod lang siya ng SM. Yung hotel. The hotel is Park Inn by Radisson, Bacolod. Something like that. No?
Yeah.
Siya nag-book. Taga Bacolod. Gani man. As in, nasa likod talaga siya ng SM City. Ayun lang yung SM mo.
Right.
Here. But you have to park the car first.
1 hour later.
Guys, nanibago ako. Look. Ito yung sanay ako sa dito na side. Ito kasi yung old na Cafe Bombs. And nasa kabilang side na siya. Iba na yung itsura. Inaka. That's where we eat dati with Papa Louie before. It's one of my favorite Japanese restaurant, Inaka. Every time we go here, it's not completely out. Kita nyo, konti na lang. Meron dito yung quail egg, and then the chorizo, mozzarella cheese. Kay JJ naman, kanina. So, ito naman yung sa kanya, chicken and the waffles.
1 hour later.
Maintained ha? Sobrang maintained. Pinaganda pa rin nila. Parang bago pa rin siya. Now we are going to Felicia's.
Kanina nakita natin.
Bibili lang tayo ng 3 slices or 2 slices of our favorite cake.
Bawal na mag-park ng pagyalan.
Smell it from
You have
here.
reached your destination.
So, ayun. Felicia's! It's there! Guys, medyo traffic na rin talaga dito sa Bacolod. They closed the main road na para bawal ka mag-left going through the McDonald's area. Nasikip na rin yung daanan and a lot of cars na nagpa-park sa gilid. Ganon.
A few moments later.
Tapos sabi ko, oh no, nakalimutan ko yung tawag dun sa cake na favorite ko. It was just only me and JJ kasi punong-puno yung parking. So naka-hazard si Habibi. Sabi ko, hindi ko mahanap. Ano yung pangalan? So nag-search pa ako sa Google, diba? Sabi ko, hindi, wala dito. So pinakita ko pa dun, meron pa po ba kayo ng ganito? Yes, ma, meron po yung Swiss cake. Wala lang yung topping.
I once thought it was a complete transformation.
Grabe.
That they completely forgot it.
Sabi ko, oh no, hindi pwede yung favorite cake ko sa Bacolod. Swiss cake pala guys yung tawag, ha? Huwag kayong gumaya sa akin. Favorite cake, pero hindi alam kung ano yung tawag. Mga blooper mode. Pero kung nakita niyo yung itsura ko, nakakatawa talaga. Yung parang nagpapanik, tapos nag-check din ako sa kabilang ref nila. Nag-check din ako sa kabilang ref. Sabi ko, asan na? Hala, wait lang, wala na. Yung JJ tawang-tawa. Okay, so, restroom. Malinis, modern. And of course, salamin na naman na.
Okay.
And the bed, of course, and the table, chair. Let's see. So, ito yung view natin for the whole stay here. Yung cake na nagpanic tayo kanina. Nakakatawa talaga. Decent yung room. I like the, yung vibes. Naka-dim yung ilaw. Hindi ko alam kung na-adjust ito. Ayun, saksakan. Are you okay? Kaya?
Ito na sea view natin.
We can put our trolley over there, love. Oh. It's so big. We can put it here. It's so big. Laki ng lagayan din ng trolley nila. Tapos may plancha din siya in case na you need it. Extra pillow. And yung ref. Vault. Coffee.
Where's the charger?
So we're good. Okay siya. Hello ulit. Salamin ulit. Oh, ang daming salamin. You can look over here, or over there. Ah, diba? Ganda nito. It reminds me of the vanity na nabili ko. Sayang eh. Nabili ko bulb. After pagkabili ko, naglabas sila ng ganito. Sabi ko, next time, pag-ipunan natin. But I don't need it naman eh. So, okay lang yun. Ay! Kumain na! Sabi mo, anong ginagawa mo? Ba't kumakain ka na yan? Saglit lang ha. Ang usapan, mamaya pa kakainin ha. Patigil.
Mamaya ka
Patigil.
Teka, kakainin mo yung part ko. Kutakain mo sa'yo.
Ayan, dito tayo nagkakalamangan eh. Gano
Kaya ba?
eh.
Oh, sige.
Where is it?
It's the inside the pouch. Pouch.
Kung mo kainin yung muna caramel, later na yan. 2 piraso lang yung caramel, kakainin mo kagad yung part. Oh. Mami, yan na yung marshmallow. Oh, sige lang, kainin mo na. Ayan.
This is where did you put the charger?
It's there.
The next day.
Guys, good morning. We were so happy last night and we just spent time with the family. We just want to, focus with them. This reason why hindi ko na kayo dinala, but we just We went to Chicken House, and then we just ate, and then afterwards, of course, dessert. So we went to Felicia's before check-in or pasok dito sa hotel. We just enjoyed the night, and then we spent and talk and laugh and bond together, and it was so nice last night. Anyway, today our agenda is to go to the cemeteries. We're gonna visit Mom and Papa Louie. Ang ganda ng view natin. Medyo magulo lang dito sa ilalim, but of course, dito tayo nakafocus. Breakfast muna sila. Syempre tayo magko-coffee, so let's go.
Kanan ba? Hindi. Tama?
Ay, wag ko ituro sa'yo, diba?
Alam ko to.
We are here na sa Rolling Hills. And hahanapin na naman ulit natin si Mami.
Alam ko
Hopefully.
Alam ko yun. I'm gonna make a sign like, Kuku!
Kukru! I'll leave my bag. Ay, I'll bring it na nga lang. Ito. Okay. Guys, finally nakita na natin si Mommy. Ang init. Then after 5 years, Mom, kamusta ka na? We are done na sa Rolling Hills, and now we are Rolling Hills and we are on the way now sa Bacolod Memorial Park to visit Papa Louie, Mama Merly, Mami Ami, and for the first time, I'm going to see Daddy Obet. Dito, kahit sobrang akala namin yung schedule namin is too tight already, but iba pa rin kasi yung Bacolod. I mean, it's traffic here, pero if you're going to compare it to Manila, it's so different. Nakakayanin pa rin yung schedule namin so far. Kasi later, we're gonna meet the family naman for lunch. Mukhang aabot tayo sa oras. Tingnan natin. Pero grabe, sobrang init kanina. Pasong-paso yung shoulders ko sa...
That's the reason why may umbrella.
Yes! Humiram tayo sa hotel ng umbrella.
Whose idea?
Siyempre, sino pa ba? Inahayaan ko lang siya mag-familiarize sa road.
Familiars, may ways. Dito ang ways.
Andyan yung ways.
Mega World, no?
Uy, meron na palang ganito dito. Upper East. Upper East. Mega World.
Diba na?
O, Kwan. Meron din Kwan dito. Kwan's Galamira.
Nasa isip ko na yun, namin na tayo.
Talaga?
Mega World. Laki ng Mega World dito.
A few moments later.
Naks. Kabisado?
Hindi naman sobra. Tama lang.
Now we have to pick up the kids. Let's go.
later. The next day.
On the way to the airport!